Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Bobo's daughter, and today I have a tutorial for you guys. This one is super beginner friendly and it's easy as hell. So today I have these fluffy earrings, and yes, they are hoop earrings, and I'm going to show you how to make these, and I'm also going to show you how to make a clip-on version of them. Just a little backstory on these earrings. Basically, everybody wearing the furry slides and like the furry little ball things that you could attach into your purse. And I was like, yo, what if I made some earrings? That would be bomb. So I made me a pair of white ones, and a lot of people love them. So that's the thing. If you have furry slides and you want to like make an earring to go with your furry slides or your flurry heels, or if you have like the furry chain ball or like a little furry, I don't know, if you just want to add some pizzazz, spice it up a little bit, just try something new, try something different, then you can try these. And I think they're super cute and they're super like prissy. They remind me of Claire's little pin that she had included. So in this tutorial I will also show you how to make this little cute clip-on version. And I love these because they go like perfect with my little necklace that I have. So if you want to see how I made these as well, stay tuned. You are gonna need a feather boa. I got this from Joann's. A hot glue finger guard is optional so you don't burn yourself. Scissors, hot glue gun, glue stick, and you're going to need a pair of hoop earrings. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to take the tag off your bow, and you're going to take one end of it and you are going to kind of clip this extra off. And once you do that, you kind of want to just add a little drop of glue. So it doesn't start fraying. And then once you do that, all you have to do is take your earring, put a little driblet of glue. I like to start at the back and go around. And take your boa, stick it on. And when you stick it on, kind of wrap it. That's what these are for, so you don't burn yourself. And you make sure it's secure. So you just hold that. And then once you pull it and see that it's secure, you just wrap. You just wrap it around. You can even use like this opening to help you wrap it around. You just wrap it around. You just keep wrapping until you near the end. You can make them as full as you want. So you can wrap a lot, or you can wrap a little bit. You can wrap till it just gets to the end. You can go and try to squeeze more on. It's really up to you. I kind of like to wrap a little bit more so that you can't see that the earring is a hoop, so that it just looks like a puff puff. And so when you do that, you're gonna need a little bit more fabric. I know it's hard to see, but we're close to the end. So I'm just gonna Yep. So I'm getting to what I want to be the end of this. So I'm gonna cut it. And all I'm going to do is, you can kind of do the same thing where you seal the tip with a dollop of glue. But what I'm going to do is, I am going to take this little piece right here. I'm just going to add glue on top of that. And then all you do is just twist it over. Just like. And these are perfect because you can't see where they stop and start. I'm gonna go ahead and make the mate to it. There you have it. So I'm gonna show you what these look like on. I'm gonna show you guys another version of this. And you will need another boa, scissors, glue guard, optional, hot glue gun, 2 like rhinestones. You can even have like pennies or like quarters or just something circular that you can glue onto. Could be 2 little pieces of felt, 2 little pieces of cardboard, anything circular that you can cut into like 2 little round quarter size pieces, and then 2 clip-on earring backs. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take the boa and we are going to put glue all around the outer edge of our circular piece. And then you're just gonna continue. You're gonna hot glue the rest. And you're just gonna cut. And this, so now that you have that, all you have to do is take the back, take the clip-on back, put some glue on it. Real quick and easy tutorial. And then just glue it to the back of that puppy. And press down with your finger guard because it will get warm. And you are done. Furry pom-pom earrings. Welcome back. That's how you make these fluffy furry earrings, and they are super cute. And you guys, let me know, should I start making these? Should I start selling these? I feel like they're super easy and you could do it yourself. But this video was fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it's really beginner friendly. Like if you don't if you feel like it's hard like making stuff and stuff like that, this is a good video to get you into it. And so I just have on like this jean jacket with like this neck piece. This is actually a Betsey Johnson skull necklace, but it's super cute, and I thought that the furry earrings goes with the color scheme or whatever. So I was like, okay girl. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and try this. Try it out, guys. What do you have to lose? It's only like $5. Like all you need is fur and some 99-cent store hair earrings. So try it out and see, you know, if you like it. And by all means, go smaller. Like if you not into the big stuff, go smaller. So thanks for watching. Bye.